Hello and welcome back to Python with not another tutorial but more like an advice or a concern I wanna express. And what I've seen lately is that many people are using ChatGPT for programming or at worst are just copying their code using ChatGPT. And I have to admit ChatGPT is really great if you are getting your inspiration, if you need some base code you wanna start, or even if you want to know if you want to write some code and you need the packages. ChatGPT can be awesome for that, but I'm more one of the persons who believes that you should do most of the coding by your own. First of all for practicing, and second of all for there's nothing like second of all, but another reason is that you may realize that ChatGPT kind of doesn't get you the code you always need, but the code you kind of want to see. And that isn't necessarily the code you kind of need. And I want to show you an example because this is a function ChatGPT gives you or can give you if you wanna get a function which transforms integer numbers into strings that express Roman numbers like M, C, M, D. You can see them here. And I even tried it out with using 11 and printing the Roman number. But even if it is code generated with artificial intelligence, it has issues. And maybe you see the first issue by yourself. I don't get why he is creating two lists instead of a dictionary, because everything he is writing under the first list can be a proper value, and you can use the upper value like 1000 as a key. And I would try to solve this issue like that. Let me show you what I would do. First of all, I would delete this or transform this into a dictionary using value as keys and the strings as the values you get by using the keys. If you're too lazy to write it, you can just write, for example, print, write it like this, and now you can copy it. But not like that. For in value but more like this. And now you're getting it. Still much less work than just writing it by yourself. Here we go. And let's reformat it. More actions. Just use it like this. Or more. Now it's like this. And now let's try to sum this a little bit up. So now I created this one, for example. Please write in the comment if there are test cases that won't work. But I'm very certain this will work for integer to Roman. But I could make a test case. 1 second. Okay, I found a similar problem in Code Wars, tested it out, so this will work. Perfect. Okay, now back to our code, and just telling you what it does. So we had in the old code, if I'm correct, we had a while loop and a for loop. Oh no, I will do it like this. 1 second. Here is the code generated by ChatGPT. Here is mine. And I just summed this up into one entire for loop like this, iterating through the dictionary. When you iterate through a dictionary, you get the keys. And of course, for example, if you print integer Roman to you want that he knows that he uses m 3 times, so we have our n, which is our value, dividing it hardly with 1000, getting 3, multiplying it with the value of 1000, and yeah, by that we are adding m, and yeah, for each time we are altering or yeah, redefining our string, we have to implement the old string as first, so that he won't overwrite mmm, and yeah, in this case you are just using a for loop. Keep in mind, just using less loops doesn't mean the code will get faster, will use less memories. But yeah, for beginners, you can just think for yourself, use as less loops as possible. And yeah, a loop in a loop, for example, multiplies the time which is needed by some amount. So just try to sum it up in, yeah, as less loops as possible. But yeah, after some time you will maybe get the feeling. I am finished for today, or yeah, for now. See you in the next video. I hope you liked it. You like this kind of videos. Maybe I'm looking for more code on ChatGPT and how you can improve it, because yeah, this kind of gives you hope that ChatGPT won't replace programmer jobs soon. I hope you liked the video. See you in the next video. Have a nice evening, dinner time, night time, whatever time it is in your country. See you and bye bye.